Amy, and I'm just going to show you how to make a really cute little envelope for using in your album. So I've got my Life Crafted album ready here, got my pink paper from the Life Crafted kit on the side, and then I've taken 3 of the other papers from the Life Crafted kit, the black and white plus signs, the yellow and white heart, and then the blue grid paper, and I'm going to turn those into little mini envelopes. So what I've done is I've started by cutting my papers to 4 by 4, and I'm just going to put that out of the way here. I'm using the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board. I think this is the medium size, it's not the mini one, but all you have to do is line up your first score. And so I am going to do my first score at 1 3/4, I guess is what it's trying to say there. And you just punch and you take your scoring tool and you score along the line. And then you line up that scored line with this little tab here. Punch again. Line it up. Punch. Line it up and punch again. And you are left with a tiny little envelope. Now, I don't like this little inside tab sticking out, which does happen when you create smaller envelopes than what the punch board is asking for. So I'm just going to cut it so that they nest nicely. And then I'm going to round the remaining corners on the other side of the punch. That's just a corner rounder. And then I'm going to continue the process with my other 2 papers. So now I'm just going to adhere them together. And then to make them really pop, I'm going to give them a few little pieces here. And there you go, a quick and easy way to add some fun and interest into your album.